embark on a fascinating journey into the microscopic world of cells, the fundamental units of life. Every organism, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest blue whale, is composed of these tiny building blocks. Cells are not just simple blobs of jelly. They are complex structures with specialized parts, each performing unique functions. The nucleus, a cell's command center, holds DNA, the blueprint of life. Surrounding the nucleus, the cytoplasm houses various organelles like mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, and the endoplasmic reticulum, where proteins and lipids are synthesized. By understanding how cells operate and interact, we can uncover the mysteries of biological processes such as growth, reproduction, and healing. This exploration not only deepens our knowledge of biology but also fuels advancements in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology, highlighting the profound impact of cellular biology on our lives and our future.
Genetic engineering, a fascinating frontier in biology, involves modifying the genetic makeup of organisms. This technology enables scientists to enhance or introduce traits by directly altering an organism's DNA. Imagine being able to create crops that withstand harsh climates or produce medicines within plants. However, as we advance, ethical questions arise. Is it right to modify genes in animals or humans? What are the long-term effects on biodiversity? These questions are crucial as the technology could potentially eradicate genetic diseases, but also poses risks like unintended ecological impacts or widening social inequalities. As we explore this groundbreaking field, it's essential to balance scientific innovation with ethical considerations, ensuring that genetic engineering serves humanity beneficially while respecting natural life forms. Engaging with these dilemmas now prepares us for a future where genetic engineering is likely to become more prevalent in everyday life.
Evolutionary biology is a captivating branch of science that explores the origins and changes in the diversity of life on Earth over millions of years. At its core, it seeks to understand how different organisms are related through common ancestry and how these relationships have evolved over time. The fundamental concept of evolutionary biology is natural selection, a process where organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and reproduce more than others. This concept was revolutionary, introduced by Charles Darwin in the 19th century. Evolutionary biology also delves into genetics, the study of heredity, which helps explain how traits are passed from one generation to the next. By examining fossils, genetic data, and the behavior of living organisms, scientists can reconstruct the evolutionary history of species and understand the mechanisms that drive evolution. This field not only enriches our knowledge of biology, but also addresses critical questions about conservation, health, and disease in the modern world.
In the fascinating world of biology, recent molecular breakthroughs are paving the way for revolutionary advancements. These discoveries delve into the very fabric of life, exploring how molecules interact to form the complex systems that drive our existence. One such breakthrough is CRISPR-Cas9, a gene editing technology that allows scientists to alter DNA sequences with unprecedented precision. This tool has immense potential, from curing genetic diseases to improving crop resilience. Another area of progress is in the study of proteins, the molecules that execute countless functions within our cells. Advanced imaging techniques now allow us to visualize proteins in action, providing insights that could lead to new treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Additionally, synthetic biology is enabling researchers to design organisms that can produce everything from biofuels to pharmaceuticals, offering solutions to some of our most pressing environmental and health challenges. These molecular marvels not only deepen our understanding of biology but also hold the promise of shaping a better future.
Ecosystem equilibrium refers to the delicate balance within natural environments where various organisms interact with each other and their surroundings. This balance is crucial for maintaining the health and stability of ecosystems. Factors like food chains, nutrient cycles, and energy flows play pivotal roles in this balance. For instance, plants convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, serving as a primary energy source for herbivores, which in turn are prey for carnivores. Disruptions in these interactions, often caused by human activities such as deforestation or pollution, can lead to significant shifts in ecosystem equilibrium. This can result in consequences like species extinction and loss of biodiversity. Understanding ecosystem equilibrium helps us appreciate the complexity of nature and underscores the importance of sustainable practices to preserve these intricate networks for future generations.
Bacteria often conjure images of disease and contamination, but these microscopic organisms play a far more complex and crucial role in our world. Existing virtually everywhere on Earth, bacteria are essential for maintaining life's balance. They not only help decompose organic material, returning vital nutrients to the environment, but also form beneficial relationships with plants and animals. For instance, in the human gut, certain bacteria aid in digestion and contribute to our immune system's effectiveness. On the flip side, some bacteria can cause severe illnesses when they invade the body or produce toxins. Recent advances in biotechnology have harnessed bacteria for tasks ranging from cleaning up oil spills to producing insulin. Understanding the dual roles of bacteria enhances our ability to protect ourselves from diseases and harness their capabilities for beneficial applications. This intricate dance between humans and bacteria underscores the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth.
Virology, the study of viruses, delves into the intricate world of these tiny agents that are not quite alive but can replicate and cause infections in living organisms. Viruses are unique because they cannot reproduce on their own. They must invade a host cell and hijack its machinery to multiply. This process begins when a virus attaches to a specific receptor on the host cell's surface, a key fitting into a lock, allowing the virus to enter. Inside, the virus releases its genetic material, which can be DNA or RNA, and compels the host cell to start producing viral components. These components then assemble into new viruses, which eventually burst out of the host cell, destroying it and moving on to infect other cells. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for developing treatments and vaccines, especially as viruses evolve and adapt. Through studying virology, scientists aim to protect public health and unravel the mysteries of these enigmatic entities.
Genetics is a fascinating branch of biology that delves into the mysteries of life at the molecular level. It explores how living organisms inherit traits from their ancestors through genes, which are made up of DNA. These genes act as instructions for building and maintaining cells, and ultimately dictate the diverse characteristics of life forms. Every human, plant, and animal owes its unique features to the specific combinations of genes they carry. This genetic information is passed from parents to offspring, ensuring that species can adapt and survive in changing environments. Modern genetics also examines how genetic variations can lead to diseases, paving the way for medical breakthroughs and treatments. Moreover, the field of genetics is crucial for advancements in agriculture, where genetic engineering helps develop crops that are more resistant to pests and harsh conditions. By understanding genetics, scientists continue to unlock new possibilities that could reshape our future, from curing genetic disorders to enhancing food security.
Biology, often described as the science of life, delves into the intricate mechanisms that govern living organisms, from microscopic bacteria to vast ecosystems. At the heart of this field is the study of the origin and taxonomy of species. Understanding where species come from and how they are classified helps us appreciate the diversity of life on Earth. Taxonomy, the science of naming and classifying organisms, provides a universal language for biologists worldwide. It involves grouping organisms into categories based on shared characteristics, which can reveal evolutionary relationships. The journey of discovering new species and tracing their evolutionary lineage is not only fascinating but also crucial for areas like conservation and medicine. By studying biology, we not only uncover the mysteries of nature but also develop solutions to global challenges, highlighting the importance of this ever-evolving field.
Reproductive biology is a fascinating branch of science that explores how living organisms produce offspring, ensuring the survival and diversity of species. This field examines the anatomical, cellular, and molecular mechanisms involved in reproduction, from the simplest bacteria to complex mammals, including humans. Key topics include the study of sexual and asexual reproduction, the hormonal regulation of reproductive processes, and the development of reproductive technologies. By understanding the intricacies of reproduction, scientists can address issues like infertility, the impacts of environmental changes on reproductive health, and the conservation of endangered species. Advances in reproductive biology have also led to groundbreaking developments such as in vitro fertilization and genetic engineering. Through the study of reproductive biology, we gain insights into the very essence of life and its continuity across generations, highlighting the interconnectedness of all living things.
Imagine your body as a highly fortified castle, with the immune system as its defense force, tirelessly guarding against invaders. This intricate system is composed of various cells and organs that work together to protect you from harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. White blood cells, such as lymphocytes and phagocytes, act as the soldiers, identifying and neutralizing threats. The thymus trains these cells, ensuring they can distinguish between the body's own cells and foreign cells. When a pathogen breaches this defense, the immune system responds by producing antibodies, specialized proteins that target and neutralize the invader. This response can also create a memory, allowing for a faster and more efficient reaction if the same pathogen attacks again. Understanding how these components interact not only fascinates but also provides crucial insights into maintaining health and combating diseases. Neurobiology is a fascinating branch of science that delves into the complexities of the brain and nervous system. At its core, it seeks to understand how billions of neurons in the brain communicate through electrical and chemical signals. This communication is what enables us to think, feel, and move. Neurobiologists use advanced technologies like MRI scans and electrophysiology to visualize these processes and explore how different parts of the brain function together. By studying disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, researchers can also discover how and why these systems sometimes fail. This field is not just about understanding the brain structure but also about applying this knowledge to develop new treatments for neurological diseases. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the brain, neurobiology offers promising insights into improving human health and well-being.
Biology is a captivating field of science that explores the mysteries of life, from the tiniest cells to the vast ecosystems that cover our planet. One of the most fascinating aspects of biology is the study of how organs have evolved and function within different organisms. Organs are specialized structures in the body that perform specific tasks essential for survival and reproduction. For example, the heart pumps blood, while the lungs facilitate breathing. Understanding the evolution of organs helps us trace the history of life on Earth, revealing how organisms have adapted to their environments over millions of years. This evolutionary perspective not only enhances our knowledge of biology but also highlights the interconnectedness of all living things. By studying the function of organs, scientists can also develop better treatments for diseases, improving health and quality of life. Thus, biology not only satisfies our curiosity about the natural world but also has practical applications that impact our everyday lives.
Biology is the scientific study of life, a vast and intriguing field that explores the complexities of living organisms and their interactions with the environment. At the heart of biology are physiological processes, the fundamental mechanisms that govern the functioning of all living beings. These processes range from cellular respiration, which provides energy to cells, to photosynthesis, where plants convert sunlight into chemical energy. Understanding these processes helps us grasp how organisms grow, reproduce, and maintain vital functions. Moreover, studying biology not only deepens our knowledge of the natural world but also enhances our ability to address challenges such as disease management, environmental conservation, and the sustainable production of food. As we delve into the wonders of biology, we unlock the secrets of life itself, paving the way for innovations that can lead to healthier lives and a more sustainable planet. Metabolism is a fascinating and complex process that occurs in all living organisms. It involves a series of chemical reactions that convert food into energy and building blocks for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. These reactions are catalyzed by enzymes, specialized proteins that speed up the metabolic processes. Metabolism is divided into two interconnected categories: catabolism, where molecules are broken down to release energy, and anabolism, where smaller molecules are built up into larger ones, consuming energy in the process. Understanding metabolism not only helps us grasp how our bodies function but also sheds light on various health issues like diabetes and obesity. By studying how different foods affect metabolic pathways, we can make informed choices about our diets to enhance our health and well-being. This dynamic field continues to evolve, offering new insights into the biological machinery that sustains life.